Hey there! You've probably already heard that the World Economic Forum has given our Changwon LG Smart Park the prestigious title of the Lighthouse Factory. Just kidding, you probably haven't heard that. It's not the top story on your newsfeed. It's not on the cover of a gossip magazine next to the reality star who's dating the movie star, but it is a big deal. In this video, we're going to show you how a factory can inspire an industry and push the boundaries of what people thought was possible. And yes, why it's news worth knowing. Shall we? Look at them go. These busybodies are automated guided vehicles. Thanks to the 5G network, they deliver materials and parts to exactly where they're needed without interruption. Hey, those overhead conveyors and automated elevators are joining in too, and they're all working in sync, using the factory space much more efficiently. What helps make this automation possible, along with the dedicated 5G network, is our digital twin technology. Digital twin is a technology that uses a virtual simulation of the material transport system and looks 10 minutes into the future in order to proactively supply the exact parts to the production line exactly when they're needed, like a control tower over the factory. It's pretty much a time machine for manufacturing. Cool, huh? Next, let's take a closer look at the production line. Follow me. Ooh, I see Unche over there. Hey, Unche.
Hey there.
These robots with cameras attached to them seem to be making different refrigerator models right next to each other.
Sharp eye. Thanks to our digital twin technology, our smart part can make multiple models smoothly, up to 58 on a single production line.
You guys must be geniuses.
Well, AI and big data just helps us look good. And our intelligent automation system boosts our productivity by 17% too. Let's take a look.
Whoa, they're so precise.
Our deep learning-based high-frequency welding technology has made manual flame welding obsolete. And our 3D vision technology makes door attachment fast, precise, and safe. Now I leave the risky work to the robots and focus on other tasks.
So all of these tasks are automated?
That's right. Every process works in sync with one another to create high-quality products. Plus, a predictive maintenance system and an inspection platform solution based on AI can detect irregularities in the production line and the manufactured products themselves. So customers can always feel sure about a product when they see this logo.
That is reassuring. So then, how sure can customers feel about the sustainability of this factory?
At LG, we're passionate about pioneering a healthier and more efficient future for us and our planet. Not only have we boosted productivity, we're also saving more energy thanks to super high-efficiency equipment. Plus, our Beacon energy maintenance technology greatly helps reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. Here we say small steps for a bigger change, and before you know it,
they add up to big changes.
Soon, when Smart Part Phase 2 launches in 2025, our production capacity will increase from 2 million units to 3 million units.
Okay, but why go to all this length? No one outside the employees will see this factory.
Because we can now create products with the highest standard in quality and always get them to our customers in a timely way.
To lead the charge for a safer, more efficient, more sustainable standard in manufacturing for our employees and for the planet.
Starting positive change might not make the front page, but it sure deserves to be recognized. And it all begins right here, in this smart factory.
Now you're learning.